Hello everyone, welcome to Rajeshwari's Commerce and Management Study Hub. I am Rajeshwari here. Let us discuss today the perquisite value of motor car facility, which is provided by the employer to employee when the car is owned by employee or owned by employer, or when the car the running charges and maintenance charges is paid by the employer or incurred by the employee himself. So how to treat these perquisites? This is also one of the facility. It is a non-monetary facility and a monetary facility is also in some cases. So how to treat this, we'll understand now. And here the usage we can divide it into three parts. What? The first one is the employee is fully using the car for only official purpose. Official purpose. Here, the second case is when employee is partially using for official and personal purpose. Partially official, partially personal purpose he is using, or he is using fully personal purpose. Personal purpose. Now, if the employee is fully using for official purpose, then the perquisite value will be exempted. Perquisite value will be fully exempted in case the employee is using fully official purpose. If in case he is using the car for partially official and partially personal purpose, then we need to treat it this based on the by dividing this into different cases. The first case here, running charges and maintenance. Running and maintenance charges are paid by employer. In this case, again we are subdividing this or classifying into two. So what are those cases? Based on the capacity of the car. Capacity of the car. If it is the car capacity is less than or equal to 1600 cc. 1600 cc, then the perquisite value will be 1800 per month. This also includes the driver charges, the driver payment 900 per month. Okay. So here when the employee is using partially personal and official purpose, and when the running charges is paid by the employer, then based on the capacity of the car, that is when the capacity of the car is less than or equal to 1600 cc, then the perquisite value will be considered 1800 per month and driver charges will be 900 per month. If the capacity of the car is more than 1600 cc, more than 1600 cc, then the perquisite value will be 2400 per month and driver charges is 900 per month. If the running charges and maintenance is paid by employee. Paid by employee. In this case, again, this we are classifying into two. Under this, the capacity of the car, and the capacity of the car is less than or equal to 1600 cc. The perquisite value will be, perk value will be 600 per month, and driver charges is 900 per month. Okay, in case the capacity of the car is more than 1600 cc, then the perk value will be 900 per month. When the car, the running and maintenance charges are paid by the employee. In this case, if it is less than 1600 cc or equal to 1600 cc, then we will consider 600 per month. For driver, 900 per month. If there is no information is provided related to the driver, then it will be considered self-driven. So then there will be no driver charges. Here the driver charges is 900 per month. Okay. Now let us understand, if the same purpose partially is used for official and partially for personal purpose, but the car is owned by employee. Car is owned by employee. Partially official, partially personal, but car is owned by employee. In this case, car is owned by employer. In the previous we have discussed, no? So here we need to take the actual expenses. For actual expenses and whatever the maintenance he has incurred, for that proper record should be provided. So the running paid by employer, running charges paid by employer, from that we are deducting the expenses related to the official purpose, for office purpose. The remaining will be taxable, the perquisite value. In case actual expenses are not maintained, you don't have any records, then we will go for based on the capacity of the car. Here the records are maintained. Here there is no records, they don't have any proofs for their spendings, then we will take it based on the capacity. So here the capacity of the car, same. The first one is, it is less than or equal to 1600 cc. Running and maintenance charges. Maintenance charges paid by employer. ER means employer. From this, we are deducting 1800 per month plus the 900 per month driver charges. The balance will be considered as a perquisite value. Okay. In case the car CC is more than 1600 cc, then the running and maintenance is paid by the employer. Then we are deducting 2400 per month plus driver charges 900 per month. The remaining will be considered as a perquisite value. This is the actual whatever they have incurred, and this is as per the calculations we are doing rules when the cc is more than 1600 cc. Perquisite value. Right. If it is fully for personal purpose, then we need to take perquisite value based on the first one, 10% of the cost of 10% of the cost of the car, or if you have hired, then 10% of hire charges. Then driver salary, then any expenses, running and maintenance cost if you have incurred, and maintenance charges will be taken. 10% of the cost or higher charges, driver salary, running and maintenance charges. Perquisite value of the motor car we are considering based on the use. So the usage we have divided into three. One is fully official purpose, ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಆಫೀಸಿಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾರ್ಷಿಯಲಿ ಆಫೀಸ್ಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಪಾರ್ಷಿಯಲಿ ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ಗೆ ಕಾರ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ದರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಬಲ್, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸಮ್ಟೆಡ್. ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಷಿಯಲಿ ಅಫಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಅಥವಾ ಪಾರ್ಷಿಯಲಿ ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ದ ಕಾರ್ ಈಸ್ ಓನ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ, ರನ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮೇಂಟೆನೆನ್ಸ್ ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್ paid by employer or paid by employee. Based on the running charges we have separated. So when running and maintenance charges paid by employer pay ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ capacity. So based on capacity, if the car is less than or equal to 1600 cc, then the perquisite value in consider ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ 1800 per month consider ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. Driver, in case driver is provided, then driver salary 900 per month consider ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. If car capacity is more than 1600 cc, then perquisite value we will be taking 2400 per month and driver charges 900 per month ತಗೋತೀರಿ. In case running charges ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯಿ ಪೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಆಗ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟಿ ಮೇಲೆ ತಗೋತೀರಿ, ಬಟ್ ದ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಟು ಪೇಡ್ ಬೈ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯಿ ದರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ perquisite value 600 per month ಇರುತ್ತೆ. driver charges remain same 900 per month, and if the car cc is more than 1600, then perquisite value will be 900 and driver will be 900 per month. So ಫುಲ್ಲಿ ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ 10% ಆಫ್ ದ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಕಾರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ 10% ತಗೋತೀರಿ. ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಹೈಯರ್ ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ 10% ತಗೋತೀರಿ. ಡ್ರೈವರ್ ಸ್ಯಾಲ್ರಿ, ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಡ್ರೈವರ್ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯರ್, ದೆನ್ ರನ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮೇಂಟೆನೆನ್ಸ್ ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್ ನ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಸೊ ಅಗೈನ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎ partially official or partially personal purpose owned by employee. Car is owned by employee, then based on the expenses whatever they have incurred for that record maintained. If they don't maintain any records, if they are maintaining the records, then the actual expenses ಏನು ಅವ್ರು ಇನ್ಕರ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಅಫಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ನ perquisite ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. In case there is no record maintained, then based on the capacity we are deciding. So capacity is less than or equal to 1600 cc ಇದ್ರೆ actual running and maintenance paid by employer, from that we are deducting 1800 per month plus 900 per month. 1800 is for running and maintenance charge, 900 is for driver charges. Okay, the remaining balance will be considered as a per visit value. And if cc is more than 1600 cc, then running and maintenance actual amount, from that 2400 running and maintenance charge, 900 for driver will be deducted, and the balance will be considered as a per visit value. In case bike ಇದ್ರೆ, ಈಗ ಸ್ವಿಗ್ಗಿ, ಝೊಮ್ಯಾಟೊ, ಡೊಮಿನೋಸ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಇದೆಯಲ್ವಾ, ಆ ತರ ಇರುವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಬೈಕು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅವರು ಆಫೀಸ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ಗೆ, ಅಫಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ, ಪರ್ ವಿಸಿಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಯರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಮ್ಟೆಡ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ, ಝೀರೋ, ನಥಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಬೈಕು ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಫುಲ್ಲಿ, ಆಗ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ ಬೈಕ್ನ, ಆಗ 10% ಆಫ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್, ಬೈಕ್ದು ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀರಿ. ಇಫ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ partially official and personal, 10% of cost ತಗೋತೀರಿ. Okay, and bike should be owned by ಯಾರು, employer, owned by employer. Okay, in case they are using partially official and personal, but bike is owned by employee, then ಅವರ ರನ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮೇಂಟೆನೆನ್ಸ್ ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ರನ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮೇಂಟೆನೆನ್ಸ್ ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ we are deducting the actual office expenses, actual office ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ ನ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಅಥವಾ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 900 ಪರ್ ಮಂತ್ ತಗೋತೀರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಬೈಕ್. I hope you all understood. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.